But how's everybody doing today? Boy, am I gonna be in trouble. I was gonna take the old T-Rex, park in the shade down there, and unload it underneath the bridge. Well, the bridge was a little shorter than what I expected. Check this out. Dinged up the old roll cage on the side-by-side. Someone's gonna be pissed. I mean, I'm not too happy with myself as it is, but it happens, I guess. Anyway, we're gonna do another river video today since I like doing the last one so much. Here's what we're gonna do. We're only gonna use this bait right here. We got some Lunker City little the sluggos. We got them big fat curly tailed grubs. We got some biospawns. We got them hammer sticks. We got them Charlie worms that if you remember me mentioning in the mystery tackle box that I probably would never use those, well, guess what? We're gonna try it right here. And then we got some Pro Series Catch Co. Got some what are these, the little Perfection shaky heads. Got my hooks, got my weights, some other hooks, got some more soft plastics over here. Got these soft, all these right here come in the mystery tackle box. All this come in the mystery tackle box except for what's here and here and the few things in there, but everything else in this box up here. The jigs, most of these jigs come in the mystery tackle box. This here come in the mystery tackle. This thing here, this what is this? Is the I can't remember if this is Ketchco or if this was from how do you pronounce it? Hiddon or whatever. But this thing here is a hybrid catch and full. I've caught lots of big hybrids off of this bait right here, this big swim bait. It works real good. But anyway, we're gonna load up a few poles. Only brought 3 rods this time. I brought 2 spinning rods and a bait caster, and then I brought my 2 big catfish poles. So this time, when we catch one of them little bluegill, we're gonna chop his ass up and use him for catfish bait, since they've cut that nice channel cat out of here the last time I was down. It was about 3 pounds or so. It was pretty decent for the river anyway. But yeah, we're gonna get this party started, so I'll catch you guys down here in just a little bit. This little hole here wasn't here last time we was down here. I don't remember it being here last time. Unless the river's changed, but I mean, that's possible. Look at them all just. They're just everywhere. Little bass. There's this little hole right here is full of bass. Other way. That way. They're just full of little bass. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but look at this. It's just full of them. There's just hundreds of them in there. It's bass and bluegill. Tell they ain't never seen a lure before. wish y'all could see that. But I'll see if I can point them out. See, look at them right, all of them over there. Damn. See, look at them all right there. They're just everywhere, up by the bank. It's pretty cool. This it's nice, good to know that they're spawning in here. They don't want this little lure. That's pretty cool. We'll go find that other hole. I don't remember that hole being here. The river's come up quite a bit since the last time I was down here, looks like. Sorry folks, the battery went dead on my other on my camera here, and you missed it. Well, they ate my perch. Little bastards. I'm gonna put the whole damn thing on there. Keep them bass from eating him up. Try to get it now. Put it in that hole over there. Where he was. Oh, don't do that. Where that catfish was swimming around. Okay. Alright. So we got a 7-foot Berkley rod here with the whoa. Something tore him up. Woo! That pulled him plumb out of the side by side there. I dropped my rod in the water. Same again. That was crazy. fucking whatever it was. Oh, that's a nice catfish, I think. Yep. Nice kennel cat. He was hungry for perch. Look at this bad boy. About to lose my camera here. Check it out, fellas. Oh, that wasn't very cool. Big. Nice channel. Look at him. Probably can't see him. Oh yeah, go home, go home. Woo! That camera's working now. I only got one, just me. I ain't got no one to zoom in on it. big ones got smart to what I'm doing, or they just had supper, because it is 6:30. Bluegill! Little pass. Hey! You guys, if you guys do something like this, always be sure that you got a phone on you, or have somebody with you at least, or something like that. Because these rivers can change in a heartbeat. You get a storm, like this river runs northwest to southeast. You get a storm or something that gets a lot of heavy rain in it, this river could change in a matter of, minutes to, it could be a half hour to an hour, you never know. Always be sure you got something you can keep an eye on the weather, that way you got someone to get a hold of if you need help or something like that. Anything can happen down here. This river's full of hog wallers. The hogs are just tearing it up bad. And if you're out here after dark and you're going back, just like a little bit ago, there's a whole herd of cows up the river, or downriver just a little ways here. That could be a bad deal. So take your time, slow down, don't get in a big hurry. Be safe about it. We're all out to come down, have fun, and if you do come down, the old rule of thumb, you pack it in, you pack it out. I don't know how many pieces of trash and stuff I packed past. I mean, I picked up quite a bit up there, and I got to pick up all this trash going back because people just throw it out. Beer bottles, there's feed sacks, beer bottles, beer cans, cigarette packs, all kinds of trash just littered throughout this riverbed for some reason. That's ridiculous. I mean, there ain't no need in that. Like I said, if you're going to pack it in, you pack it out. I mean, these people come down here, they ain't your mama and they ain't your daddy. They ain't your maid. So, well, hope y'all had fun on today's little adventure. I sure did. We're kind of starting to get a little cloudy back to the northwest there, a little dark. So, I think I'm going to cut it short today. Get on out of here before it does rain, if it rains, so that way I ain't stranded or get stuck down here and lose everything. But sure hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do some more of these videos, let me know in the comments down below. Like always, go check us out on Facebook at Andy Baker's Fishing. Like I said in the previous videos, we got our shirts and hats are out. We got koozies that are just came in. We're getting those made up. We're getting tumblers and hoodies and all kinds of good stuff coming. Like always, you know. We're going to be doing a giveaway here on the Facebook page not before long, within the next week or two. Don't know what it is. My wife's in charge of that part, so y'all keep an eye out on the Facebook page for that. And we're going to sneak one in here into the YouTube channel here also before long. So, as always, keep the lines tight. Y'all have a great day. Like, share, comment, subscribe. If you like these videos like this, I'll do more of them. I think I'm going to do more of these because I kind of like it myself. It's been a long time since I've been down to the old river. Nice and peaceful down here, except for the herd of cows down the way there a little bit, but as always, keep the lines tight. You guys have a great day. Well, we just get this set up here. Well, maybe I'll just go down here. Turn this air conditioner down a little bit. Oh, we just got off the river, and it's been an eventful day, I'll tell you what. I got up at 5 o'clock this morning, drove all the way over to Foss Lake, got unloaded at 6, fished till about 9:30, only had one bite. So I just said, well, I'll run over to Oakwood and get the side-by-side and we'll go back down the river. We'll get the side-by-side, load it up, get down the river. Of course, you guys see at the first of the video, I smashed the bridge with the side-by-side right on the roll cage. Nice. But anyway, the fishing wasn't bad. We caught some few bluegill, a couple of decent bass, one nice kennel cat. Yeah, damn oil-filled trucks. Anyway, about 3:13 now. I'm 95 degrees outside. It's hot. Even on that river, it's hot. It's humid today. I don't know if we got storms coming in later or what, but anyway, called her quits a little bit early. Like I said, I got family in from Wyoming. I hadn't seen them, I don't know, 2 or 3 years probably. So I guess we're gonna call it a day. I'm gonna go hang out with them for a little while, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. So everybody have a great day and keep the lines tight.